我现在没空。
Hello everyone, we are Group A and we are going to introduce our attention project, Traffic Light for Sustainable Marine Sea Conservation.
These are common fish in Taiwan. Song Pingzhen, can you share with us what fish you usually eat?
Yes. I usually eat milkfish, tilapia, and oyster, and and salmon.
Okay, thank you for your answer.
When it comes to eating fish culture, we need to ask 4 questions. First, fighting fish means we should know where fish come from. Then knowing fish means we need to know what the breed of fish and how fresh it is. Next, what are good fish? Yes, good fish are fish in season, and we don't eat fish in high rank of food chain. And the last question is what the quality is to cook fish, and that can make fish more delicious.
Actually, many countries now produce the seafood gumlets. In the gumlets, the seafood is usually divided into red, green, and yellow category. Red stands for avoid eating because this type of seafood is small, not so many, or in the higher rank of the food chain. Um, yellow stands for eating with care. You can just sell it them, but not so often say once a month. And the green is the seafood recommending of for consumption with means we can eat them happily because they are still rich in the ocean. Zheng Yongxin, can you answer the questions?
Okay.
Um, let's look the fish pictures in the red first. You know the answer.
石斑鱼
Yeah.
吗？蓝
Grouper, hunger,
shark.
yes, shark. And and then the yeah, how about fish in yellow?
Tuna. Oh no, 鲑鱼
Yes, salmon,
鳕鱼
cod,
tuna.
yeah, tuna. The seafood in the green level should be easy for you.
虱目鱼
Yeah, milkfish,
无锅鱼
yeah, tilapia,
牡蛎
and oyster. There are so many of them in the ocean, so we can eat them more often.
To be a smart seafood consumer, we must follow the seafood selection guidelines. First, choose seafood produced locally in Taiwan. Second, choose the seafood with a sustainable label or the history of the traceability. Third, buy small fish, shrimp, and shellfish at the bottom of the fish chain. First, choose the common fish species. Fifth and sixth, buy the silver migrating fish. Seventh, there are a small number of fish species whose habitats are in the sandy and muddy substrates, so we shouldn't eat them, right? In order to let everyone understand the fish-eating countries, we choose the classmates and went to the Yong'an Fishing Port to introduce the seafood guide Taiwan.
To get first-hand information, we can get first-hand information by asking fishmongers in the Yong'an fishing market to break myth. Whiteback is from only one fish species, but not so large of rare fish species.
Our attention is to lead our classmates to Yong'an Fishing Port. There are 3 parts in Yong'an Fishing Port. The first part is full of restaurants for customers to enjoy cooked dishes and seafood. The second part is dry goods area, which sells a lot of fried food and drinks. The third part is fried fish area, which sells fried fish and seafood. And there are many different kinds of fish.
We visit Yong'an Park on May 2nd. As you can see from the photos, we introduce traffic light for marine seafood of our classmates. These 2 photos are about the fish that we were introduced. It was not easy, but the fishmonger helped us and offered us more information that transitions. And then the very interesting part is that we also swing auction about the seafood. Let me play the chip for you.
The event everyone gave us feedback. What they learned the most is the seafood traffic lights. We are very happy that what everyone has learned the most is the main aspects we want to promote. I hope everyone can implement in your life. And everyone's favorite activity is watching the fishmonger's seafood auction. But you know that the seafood sold by the fishmonger has a lot of shark and squids. They are the kinds of avoid eating.
From the seafood buying and selling, we can clearly see 3 rules in between: fisherman, customer, and marine life. From fishermen, now people like to eat shark or salmon, so they catch those fish in order to make more money. Therefore, there is a serious problem of overfishing. But how can fishermen do? Tang Jie, can you answer my questions?
尽量不要捕捞鲨鱼。
Thank you. For customer or common people like us, we like to eat fish, but eating too much and improperly will reduce marine recourse. Imbalance of marine life will happen.
For example, whiteback is a newborn fish, but we people always think it is good for health, so we eat whiteback, but we are eaten so they can grow up. This will cause the marine resources to be unbalanced. For marine life, if people eat fish improperly and fishermen keep overfishing, scientists say that there will be no more fish in the ocean in 2050. The marine ecology will be totally damaged. Which roles do you think are the most important? The answer is customers. To prevent these terrible situations from happening, it is important for we customers to refer to the seafood traffic light that our team shares with you when we choose to buy or eat the seafood. This way, not only responsible customers, it is also a good helper to make marine resources sustainable.
Do you have any questions?
No.
No.
We recommend this website for you, the Seafood Guide Taiwan. You can scan the QR code to get to the website. The information from it is for your reference for when you buy or eat seafood. Thank you for your listening.